Test, test. Test, test.
Okay, welcome to the Public Service Commission's administrative meeting for March 26, 2025. Before we get to the official business, I want to welcome Lily Tiska as a regulatory economist in our Telecommunications, Gas, and Water Division. She's a graduate of Shippensburg University with a bachelor's degree in economics and political science. And so if she's in the room, do you want to stand up and wave? So, all right, welcome aboard. So, and with that, we need to approve the minutes of our meeting of March 19th, 2025. Commissioner Sutton?
Aye.
Commissioner Barve?
Aye.
Commissioner Richard?
Aye.
I vote aye.
Morning, Mr. Chair. There are 8 items on today's consent agenda. Numbers 1 and 2 are applications from Power Analytics Group LLC for licenses to supply electricity and natural gas. Item number 3 is an application for a license to supply electricity from ELQ Digital Inc., DBA Personalized Energy. Item number 4 is a notice from American Alternative Insurance Company Corp. Of a bond cancellation for EarthGrid PBC. Item number 5 is a request from Zio Infrastructure Holdco LLC. And number 6, a notice from SQF LLC of its participation in financing arrangements. Item number 7 is a request for a operational deadline extension from Maverick One LLC for its solar project. And item number 8 is a request for an extension of an operational deadline for its solar project from Greg Road Solar LLC.
Okay, regarding item 1, I move we grant the company a license to operate as an electricity supplier in Maryland, limited to broker services for the customer classes and service territories applied for and recommended by staff. Direct the company to provide marketing and training materials specific to its Maryland operations to the Commission's staff and the Office of People's Counsel 30 days prior to the utilization of materials in Maryland, and direct the company to notify the Commission within 30 days of any change in the information of its application. Commissioner Sussman?
Aye.
Commissioner Barbe?
Aye.
Commissioner Richard?
Aye.
I vote aye. Item 2, I move we grant the company a license to operate as a natural gas supplier in Maryland, limited to broker services for the customer classes and service territories applied for and recommended by staff. Direct the company to provide marketing and training materials specific to its Maryland operations and to the Commission's staff and the Office of People's Counsel 30 days prior to the utilization of the materials in Maryland. And direct the company to notify the Commission within 30 days of any changes to the information in its application. Commissioner Sussman?
Aye.
Commissioner Barve?
Aye.
Commissioner Richard?
Aye.
I vote aye. Item 3, I move we grant the company a license to operate as an electricity supplier in Maryland, limited to broker services for the customer classes and service territories applied for and recommended by staff. Direct the company to provide Maryland-specific marketing materials to the Commission staff and the Office of People's Counsel if it develops them, and direct the company to notify the Commission within 30 days if any changes in the information in the application. Commissioner Sussman?
Aye.
Commissioner Barve?
Aye.
Commissioner Richard?
Aye.
I vote aye. Item 4, I move we note the company's acquisition of a new bond. Commissioner Sussman?
Aye.
Commissioner Barve?
Aye.
Commissioner Richard?
Aye.
I vote aye. Item 5, I move that we cancel the company's Maryland operating authority with the understanding that the company will file a new application for operating authority if it seeks in the future to offer any telecommunications services in Maryland over which this commission has jurisdiction. Commissioner Sussman?
Aye.
Commissioner Barbe?
Aye.
Commissioner Richard?
Aye.
I vote aye. Item 6, I move we note the company's new financing. Commissioner Sussman?
Aye.
Commissioner Barbe?
Aye.
Commissioner Richard?
Aye.
I vote aye. Item 7, I move we grant the requested limited waiver of COMAR 20.62.03.04C and extend the operational deadline for the project to March 9, 2026.
Mr. Chairman, I have a question about this one.
Okay.
Is there somebody here from either Gordon Feinblatt or Maverick, or I just have one question, well, maybe you know the answer, staff. In their letter, Maverick is requesting a targeted extension. I've never seen that term before. What is that? I would presume that all of these extensions are targeted by definition. I just don't understand the use of that word.
I took it to mean the same as limited extension that they've been using in their other filings from that law firm.
Okay, so it's nothing unusual about the use of targeted is not in any way significant or unusual.
No, Your Honor.
Okay, thank you. That's it, Mr. Chairman.
Okay, with that, I move we grant the requested limited waiver of Comar 20.62.03.04C and extend the operational deadline for the project to March 9, 2026. Commissioner Sushman.
Aye.
Commissioner Barvet.
Aye.
Commissioner Richard.
Aye.
I vote aye. Regarding item 8, I move we grant the requested waiver of Comar 20.62.03.04C and extend the operational deadline for the project to March 18, 2026. Commissioner Sushman.
Aye.
Commissioner Barvet.
Aye.
Commissioner Richard.
Aye.
I vote aye.
And item number 9 on the administrative agenda consists of revised tariff pages from the Potomac Edison Company.
Fred, I've got some questions on this.
Oh, yeah. Okay, that's fine.
Good morning, Mr. Chair and Commissioners. Drew McAuliffe on behalf of staff. On February 28th, 2025, Potomac Edison filed revised tariff pages to update the company's previously approved multifamily home electric vehicle charger service rate, or MFHEV. PE's proposed tariff change would 1. Edit the definition of Type 1 SOS to include customers at multi-unit dwellings taking service under MFHEV. 2. Add Schedule MFHEV to the EV time of use rider, allowing residents of multi-unit dwellings to benefit from time of use rates. And 3. Adjust the supply charge under MFHEV to account for recent SOS rate changes
Missed it.
that are effective June 1st, 2025. Staff recommends that the Commission accept Potomac Edison's tariff revision for filing with effective date of April 1st, 2025. Thank you, and I'm available for questions.
Any questions for staff? Okay.
Good morning, Chair and Commissioners. Jessica Reba on behalf of the Potomac Edison Company. Thanks to staff for its recommendation. We have nothing to add, but are available for questions.
Any questions for PE? Seeing none, okay. I move we accept the tariff revisions for filing with an effective date of April 1, 2025. Commissioner Sushman.
Aye.
Commissioner Barbe.
Aye.
Commissioner Richard.
Aye.
I vote aye. And with that, we're
Mr.
adjourned.
Chairman, before we adjourn, can I do something unusual? I wanted to ask a question on item number 8. It would not have changed my vote, and I'm just curious if anybody is here representing the company. I just have a quick question here.
Yeah, actually, I don't see either Bugelman's or
Oh,
Cook. So.
all right, okay. All right, fine. In that case, never mind.
Okay, and with that.